The first step is material cutting. Cutting the steel from 2.6 meters to 1.6 meters and even smaller. It can also be sawed into the desired size, according to customer requirements, ultimately achieving surface RA 63N. The second process is to pellet surface milling on the cut steel, which can achieve the following data. Workpieces of flatness 002 mm 500 mm, surface RA 08 mm. Next is duplex milling, and the data can reach workpieces of squareness 002 mm 300 mm, surface RA 08 mm. Next, the milled steel is precision ground to achieve finer data. The final data is as follows: 1000 mm up to 6000 mm, net width of inside to 600 mm, surface RA 08 mm. Thickness precision ground, width or length ground or milled. Furthermore, CNC machined for milling, contour drilling, pocket other operations.